there is no justice, there is no peace. And that is what Pakistan is going through. Baloch does not have justice. Sindhis don't have justice. Pakhtuns don't have justice. So there is no peace. People are getting killed. People are getting picked away by the secret agents. Pakistan military is running a full-fledged war in Balochistan. They are doing everything against humanity, against democracy, against their own constitution, against their own judiciary, against their administration. And who they blame? India. When Baloch says, this is my land, this is my house, I want to live on this land, in this house, peacefully, they say no. And when we raise our voices, we protest, they say these are terrorists, or these are mischievous people, and they are agents to India or foreign countries. So you cannot solve the problems. There have been in Balochistan and Pakhtunkhwa and even Sindh a bomb blast where hundreds and hundreds of people died in those bomb blasts. And years gone, there is no one else blamed except to point towards India or Afghanistan or any other foreign design. So if everything in Pakistan is foreign designed, people protest, that is a foreign design. People elect their real representatives when they go into parliaments and they raise the voice of their people, oppressed people, Sindhis or Balochs. They say these are traitors and they are playing in the hands of the foreign agencies. Our first generation is gone and they all have been declared traitors and foreign agents, and treason cases were filed against them. Sardar Ataullah, Mir Ghaus Bash Bizinjo, Khairbash Mari, and many others, youngsters. The whole generation is gone as a traitor to Pakistan. The new after that we came, we have been treated as a traitor or as playing in the hands of foreign. Now this young girl, who Maharang Baloch, she just, I think she woken up the whole Baloch system, Sindhi people, Pakhtuns, and even Punjabi, progressive and human-loving people. And they say they are playing in the hands of the foreign. Why India is so weak to use Marang against Pakistan? India is a very capable and powerful country, and they do not need Baloch. If they play the game, they will play it like they did it in Bangladesh. They will play it first, they will play it in the Sindh, because Sindh borders with India. Balochistan does not border with India. So why they fly over and come and play it with Balochs? So I mean, people say learning from Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh, when East Pakistan became Bangladesh, Pakistan survived. I'm just telling you, when Bangladesh became, Pakistan survived. There is a Pakistan. But if Balochistan goes away from Pakistan, or Sindh breaks up from Pakistan, or Pakhtunkhwa, Khyber breaks up Pakistan, Pakistan does not survive. There will be only Punjabi state. There will be only Punjab. There will be no Pakistan. And that, as I said, will be the poorest country. They will eat their own children because they don't have. what they claim they have wheat, they cannot even, that wheat cannot feed their own population, because right now the Punjab's population is a liability on Pakistan. It is eating Sindh's revenue, the most generating revenue from Sindh. It is eating Balochistan minerals, gas and coastal guard. It is surviving on Khyber Pakhtunkhwa's electricity. They don't have anything. They have the population, which is in this new world is a liability. And they are eating us. They are not giving us. They are taking from us. And when we say, no, this is our right, this is our land, these are our resources, we are we inherited them in the history, and we are the owners of this land. So then the Punjabi rifle shoots the bullet to the Baloch, picks up the Baloch from the house when they are sleeping with their family, when they are sleeping on the side of their mother, they get picked up, and then nobody knows about their whereabouts. So there is no justice, no peace until Pakistan stops these atrocities against Sindhis, Balochs, Pashtuns, and Gilgit-Baltistan. They are a protected, United Nations protected region. Now what they are doing? These people are sitting for months and protesting the whole population as a problem. Pakistan cannot feed them. Pakistan cannot feed Balochistan. Baloch people in Makran region, their food, eggs, oil, gas, everything comes from the Iran smuggling. They cannot feed us, but they are keeping us by force, by military force, by guns. As I said, there is a one soldier for every 3 or 5 Baloch in Balochistan. So that's how we are kept in that big prison. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Waheed. I really appreciate